What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be trimming my hair, and as you can see, I am trimming my hair while it is wet. I recently just washed it, and I feel as though with my natural hair, when it is wet, it's a lot easier for me to trim it because I personally do not like heat to my hair. So I try to do it the fastest way possible, because to blow dry my hair and try to trim my ends, that's gonna take forever. This probably only took me about 20 minutes and boom, I was done. So right now I'm just taking out these braided twists and getting ready to section my hair so that I can go ahead and trim. And if you want to see my wash process, I'm pretty sure I have a couple of videos where I go into detail about how I wash my hair and why I wash my hair that way. I can link some videos down in the description below, and go ahead and check those out and tell me what you think. And also your wash process, like how do you wash your hair? Do you just go right in, or do you section your hair so that it is easier for you? Let me know. Even while I'm taking out my hair, I can see some of my ends that are like just in need of a trim. And if you do see any gray hairs, comment down below how many times you saw a gray hair. And I don't know, like I could see it because I know where it is in a way, but I've been finding them all over. But comment down below if you see any gray hairs, because I'm kind of feeling it. I like it. I like that my gray hairs shows up all over rather than one spot. So here I am sectioning my hair, and I've learned that as many times I've trimmed my hair, that it's a lot easier to do bigger sections versus smaller sections. Like back in those days, I had time. Like I had all the time in the world, but this right here, it is late at night and I just want to hurry up and trim my hair. Like that was literally my thought process, and it was in need of a trim. Like it literally has been a year since I trimmed my ends, and so I just want to walk you through why I comb my hair so much. So when I wet my hair, I comb it with a bigger comb, and I go back and it feels like there's still some knots in my hair. So I also add oil to my hair just to give it a little bit of shine and moisture. Rather than adding any other product, I just use oil and water while I'm trimming my hair. Comment down below and let me know, what do you use when you're trimming your hair? Is it straight water, or do you add oil? Is there something else that adds a little bit of curl so that you can see what ends to cut and how far up? Let me know. When I'm twisting my hair, I always pull my hair straight down and twist so that my ends can meet up, and then I know exactly where I need to trim. Sometimes I start off by trimming a little bit at the end, and then I go back and I see that, okay, I can cut a little bit more. And then sometimes you can instantly tell, like right here, like, okay, this needs to be cut. And then I'll just try to evenly cut the end. In the next clip, I ended up changing my shirt only because I had on black and my hair is black, and I'm like, dang, can they really see me trim my hair? So let me try to brighten up the place and throw on some orange, and all you see is my hair. And you know exactly where I'm cutting my ends. wanted to point out that I used to cut my hair like this, but I found it a lot easier to just twist my hair and cut it like that, because for harder places in the back, I wouldn't be able to really see it. And then if I cut it in the back, it would be like at an angle trying to bring it towards me. It was just a lot easier to twist my hair and just snip snip and try to do all that fancy smancy stuff. But this way is faster, I promise you, and you cannot go wrong. So now that my hair is fully trimmed, I'm just going over to see if I missed anything. But for the most part, I got all of my ends. So I'm just unraveling my hair to wear it in an afro. If you want to see how I style my hair after I trim, comment down below, because there are several hairstyles that I would do whenever I do trim my hair. And I just want to do a detailed video regarding that. So if you would like to hear more, go ahead and comment down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so that whenever I do upload a video, you'll be notified right away. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please check out those videos in the description where I do talk about other things when it comes to my hair. And see you guys in the next video.